Hi, I'm Zaki. No child is born speaks his language from the first time he or she hears or listens to it. He listens a lot to his father and mother. He or she is learning the sounds. After the sounds, making some words, then sentences, then topics, then his first language is formed. This takes up to 3 years. That's for a child. For adult, it may take less or more based on your performance and how you learn and with who you're learning. My name is Zaki. I'm an English teacher. I hold four teaching English certificates: TESOL, TEFL, TEYL, and TTT. TTT is short for Train the Trainer, and it's a certificate given by Cambridge University to teacher trainers or teachers that want to teach other teachers how to teach English. I have loved learning languages since I was a kid. So now I'm learning Chinese, and it's been quite a long time. I also studied German in college. I speak Arabic, English, and Chinese, and also a little bit of other languages. So I know that it takes time. I like chess. I'm from Egypt. I have taught many courses of English: IELTS, TOEFL, IPT, Business English, English for Kids, English for Interview, and there are many customized courses in which you'll be learning something very specific that you really need. There's no one curriculum for all students. There's always something different that you really need to improve your pronunciation. Others want to improve their speaking, listening, reading, writing.